Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some low clouds and some reduced visibilities across the area currently. Have a marine layer over our location with those low clouds persisting throughout much of the day today. We'll see possibility of a break or two in the clouds for this afternoon, but right now it looks like those low clouds are going to be in here all day long, keeping those temperatures cool as well in the lower 50s, and we'll see that persist through our Friday and then continuing low clouds Saturday morning. But by Saturday afternoon, we should see these low clouds move out of the area, especially once they move in the inland locations on our Saturday afternoon. We should see a good amount of sunshine. As far as precipitation chances go today, should be near zero. A slight chance we see some drizzle across the area, but overall not expecting any precipitation in general across the area. No chances of lightning as well. We're stable with this marine layer. Our freezing level is at 9,100 feet this morning on the sounding. Our winds on the northeast in the low levels, and then turning more westerly and between 3,000 and 6,000 feet, and then more southwesterly in direction once we get above 12,000 feet and up to 34 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we do have a stationary boundary just off to our south. That was a backdoor cold front moved through yesterday. That boundary is going to stay just off to our south the next 2 days and then move back north of the area once we move into our Saturday. But overall, with this backdoor boundary sagging to our south, we're continuing to see low clouds across the region this morning with that high building in New England, and that's going to be the case, as I mentioned, for today and tomorrow and the first half of Saturday. So looking at our satellite imagery, you can see that low-level cloud cover across the area, even making its way the whole way down to the Virginia-North Carolina line this morning. So quite a good amount of low-level cloud cover across the Mid-Atlantic region this morning, and then extending the whole way north up into New Jersey. So the whole Delmarva is covered in this low cloud, and we'll continue to see that throughout the day today. Our HRRR model for today into tomorrow, you can see low clouds across the region. If we do see a break in those clouds, it would be around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon, as appears on the high-res models, but not expecting much of a break here at Wallops, as we'll continue to see that onshore flow and the low clouds across the region. Overnight tonight, we'll see that low cloud really continue to build in the region and giving us temperatures in the lower 40s for lows, as well as a slight chance or a very slight chance of some patchy drizzle across the region and mist. And move into our Friday, going to continue to see low clouds here at Wallops, and then into the Saturday morning, much the same, low clouds across the region. Our next system starts to approach from the west, but won't get here until Sunday evening. That could give us some showers and thunderstorms Sunday evening, but for Saturday here, just looking at low clouds, possibility of some drizzle. We'll have a warm front move through for the afternoon hours on Saturday, and that could give us a brief sprinkle, but overall not very much in the way of rain chances on Saturday either. The European model here, you can see much the same, high pressure and control over New England, ridging down the coastal plain, giving us that marine layer across the region Saturday. You can see here the European model tries to give some showers, some drizzle across the region, but not expecting very high chances with this on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we'll see that cold front move towards the region. That's going to allow us to be in the warm sector of this system for especially Saturday afternoon or late Saturday afternoon here at Wallops into our Sunday. I've seen breezy conditions on Sunday as well, with those chances of showers and even possibility of thunderstorm for Sunday evening into Monday morning. Some of the models did indicate this front could get stalled along the coast, but more guidance showing the system moving off the coast for Monday afternoon. And we'll see the high pressure build in for Monday afternoon, and the Tuesday, much the same. See a moderating trend for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Our risk chart today, we'll see a high expected around 56 degrees, but these low clouds are in here this morning. Temperatures still in the mid to upper 40s currently along the coastline, so not expecting temperatures to move all that much. If we do see some breaks in the clouds, we'll see those temperatures bump up into the 50s. But could be stuck in the upper 40s today. This forecast was issued earlier this morning, expecting more breaks, but right now that lower level overcast deck looks like it's going to stay in the area. And then we'll see an overnight low around 42 to 43 degrees. Northeasterly winds will pick up briefly this afternoon, 11 to 16 knots, gets to 23 knots, so a very slight chance of seeing winds at or greater than 25 knots this afternoon. And then there's low clouds build back in the region overnight. That's a very slight chance of drizzle. our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see those low-level clouds around 500 to 1,000 feet throughout the remainder of the day today. And then we'll see those clouds really start to lower after midnight down to 400 feet with a chance of some fog, half-mile statute visibility. Tomorrow morning, continue to see overcast deck around 300 feet with some reduced visibilities with some mist across the area. Our tides are slightly above normal currently, looking at Friday and Saturday. Friday, overcast, mostly cloudy with low clouds, slightly breezy, high of 54 degrees. Friday night, overcast with low clouds likely, very slight chance of passy drizzle. We'll see a low of 45 degrees. And for Saturday, mostly cloudy, overcast through the early afternoon with low clouds likely, then becoming partly cloudy by late afternoon and slightly breezy, a high of 63. Inland locations on Saturday, we'll see temperatures near 70 or possibly in the lower to mid-70s, depending on how quickly this low cloud moves out of the area. Here along the coastline, looks like that low cloud could linger a bit longer, keeping our highs in the lower to mid-60s. So the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures warm on Sunday, ahead of that cold front up to 67, back into the upper 50s on Monday at 58. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see a moderating trend, 60 on Tuesday and then 65 on Wednesday with lots of sunshine across the region. So looking like some temperatures about normal to above normal throughout the next 7 days. And there's chances of rainfall come on Sunday night into Monday. Looks like we'll see about a half to possibly 1 inch rainfall with the system, depending on how much shower and thunderstorm activity is able to persist through the region. Especially Monday morning. If we do see that rainfall linger into Monday morning, we'll see a better chance of seeing rainfall near an inch. If we just see a line of convection go through on Sunday evening, most likely be near that half an inch of rainfall. Well, that complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.